Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Guys, we've done it again, and guess what? Check this out. Now, we have become so lazy. The world today has become so lazy. Well, in the other way around, you can say it's laziness. In the other way around, it's like getting people to do DIY stuff. But if you're expecting to do anything, that you're gonna go to the store and buy a little dolly or whatever you call it. Yes, moving dolly. Yeah, you are all on your own. You have to know how to handle tools. If you don't learn, you're in big trouble. The world has changed. Carries 1,000 pounds capacity and is a Performax 12 by 18 moving dolly or mover dolly. It said it's a heavy duty, frame structured, carpeted end to protect the wall from doorways, and 4 swivel casters, the casting wheels, these guys right here. And I was looking at a store, that's the right picture right there, looking for it. It used to be all assemble. And when I was passing around, I can't even see anything because they used to put them in a display model. They told me, the guy from the hardware store walked me back all the way where I came from. I said, no, it's not there. They said, oh yeah, it's in my section. All right, he's right. So we went there and looked at it. What did I find? Found box. I said, what is that? They said, now it's in a box. I said, why is that? Because I think it cost them so much money to assemble it, to pay people to do this. It's a simple job. It's not even about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so they give you the 2x2 here, right there. So this casting, this carpet right here, it has where the bolts, and they sent you a pack. So 4, 8, 12, 16 nuts, shredded thin right here. So this is a extra one. Never seen that before, but it's nice because they give you extra one in case you messed up. So this is a store I went to, Menards.com. Look where it came from. The world is changing, taking advantage of people or whatever it is. And the other way around is putting us into our feet so that we can able to stand up and do things on our own. Don't rely on people anymore. If you rely on people, you're in so much trouble. So learn how to do your DIY stuff. That will help you right in the future. It might be hard to say to people, but we have to rise up as a nation, as a community. Be aware, be smart, be self-taught, and do the right thing. Because what is happening right now, this is not going to go away easily anymore. Look for this, Performax 12 by 18. So I was looking for 12 inches. They used to have the smaller ones, and I don't want to drive all the way to Harbor Freight. So I put this thing on top of this thing. The wheels are not even that good swiveling thing. You can tell it's a lot of grease on that thing they put. So they put a lot of grease there so it can work better for the bearings. But to be honest with you, it's just a piece of junk. You can make this for yourself. This one cost me almost $12.99 plus tax. Here in Minnesota, it cost me about almost $15. So if you have lumber, you can have lumber laying around, you can do it. Buy the wheels. You can get your old carpet somewhere or whatever, or you put a cloth or foam or whatever, and you're good to go. So I have the batteries on the wheels. See, just like a moving dolly now, or a tiny home in the wheels. So that's what it is. Stay tuned for the next video, how we're gonna be doing the connection here. I hope this guy is gonna hold on well, and we can able to wire these guys with all these leads that we have here. How we gonna go? The breakers are here, but I need the bus bars to do this. From the command center in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more to come. Ta-da! Check this out. All the breakers. So you can see 150 amps, 80 volts. Like midnight solar breakers that you can buy. So this is how they look. This is how they look. So let's open up this guy. I got a very good deal on these guys. I spent like $85 for all these breakers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. So here is the voltage. Triple throw breakers, 80 volts, 10 kVA. You see the curved U2. So this one connected to the buses. You feed the guys right here. It's a DIN rails. There you go. If you don't know what a DIN rail is, take this guy, wear this one and snapped, and you can able to adjust this guy back and forth, and this one stay mounted without the box. Okay, and we have this true copper right here that takes care of business and parallel all these 3 inputs to 1 output. For you can use your heavy duty gauge wire like one of these guys. So you can able to attach this guy right here now and go bolt and nuts, which we have that here. See what I'm saying? So we can able to attach this guy and sits right there, and we can able to penetrate all the way. I think they don't even have the other stuff that's supposed to come with it, because you have to thread this guy. That's supposed to be a bolt, sorry, here, bolt and nuts underneath, and go all the way, tighten up this thing. It bites all the way to the other end, so the bottom here is not there. So you can go like this, or like I said earlier, you can able to use, excuse me, a bad boy like this. You can put a M8 bolt and nuts and tie it right there. Okay, that goes to your main buses. So this 3 here is this guy is gonna be in those spots. All the negatives, or sorry, all the positives here is going there. So this is what I have to tell you. I only have some kind of broken stuff here. I don't know what it is, from little residue from maybe from the sides of the breakers, or maybe the back here, like these guys here. So these are the specifications if you're curious. So these guys work together or partner with Midnight Solar, the CB, whatever it's called, CBI. So most of you watch Midnight Solar breakers, it's just because of the name brand. This one came from Letver, Letovier, something like that. Oh, Lesotho, whatever it is. Yeah. And this is how the DIN rail attached to this. These guys pull backwards, and the DIN rail slide there, sideways. It goes like this. I have one somewhere, you know. After they attach, they snap right away, and that's how they grab the DIN rail. And this guy don't go anywhere. So I just decided to show you what's gonna be the next video to come, and I'm gonna use this guy to utilize this thing because I have each module, each string here has 3 wires. You can see one battery here. There's a positive to this, positive to that, positive to this. So it's 3 of them. The negative here, the negative here. Okay. All right. I think I made a mistake. If I'm not sure. Okay. I think what I did here. I think a mistake. 1 negative, 2 batteries, 1 negative. Okay, I was right. There's another one back there. I was right. Because I hate to go back and do this. But it's already shrink wrap. And I have my fancy little dandy, whatever I call it. Woohoo! Battery hookup. They got the saying they normally say, don't get whatever and get hookup. So, like, you don't want to get screwed around with other people, but you have to be, you know, hooked up. So I can't even recite exactly what they said on that thing. So anyway, like and subscribe. Nice on the casting wheels. JW Solo USA. Thanks for watching.